Agada.
Mbijan raganya.
Albaka.
Mbaka important.
Yo, nga transfer la sto.
Ya transfer la.
Ha, code nyinji.
Okay. Korsa. Nsila ID soto.
Ah, sasa ndo. Sorry. Agada.
Mbijan bro.
Albaka.
Mbaka.
Bara alla service o tariya.
Ah,
mbare ki janna nun kunu bara tariya.
Jannom yona forest de bureau. Gambia tonkon na no mbali ya bere. Birim koyna fo kato.
Bari si kodo kino kato ni fo bolong blabe.
56 branches mola soto Gambia ja.
Ha?
Gambia kono ani Gambia bantala bankol. Nka kono kiya bere. Kodo sifa fo falindiro fo nyaadi lafta memmen na kodi topoto nin kodi maraw. Jannam number 1 di nyonta. Andum fana nata anoda enterprise sotale. Wolam nyindi ko domorol fana kol fana be firale le dadi mani domorol din fana beteat. Gambia dawda yalo nga kumfa kendol sotale je.
Wo mo yo diat ha.
Apelenta
ni wo ka ni na lafta nyelen kendol e bina.
Yalo bu kanyi la ko la baraka ba.
Yalo ndel chosano lo.
Abaraka.
Diwli lanni maro lanni
pop lanni
awa joni mi anda honno gerde ten e ngaldo sabu e ngaldo Ibrahima jonnal taw joni mi anda se yahay kapitiki nyawlo den ha humpondire makko est ce qu'on non e warude
waden no
ane ko de Ibrahima ma ko to woni
mo Amerique
ko Amerique a woni kede humpitaki fi be musibe men baluwo be andanda kala ko wawda wonde aduna si arrivi e juude mabbe a jonna do dépassement Gambia har no weebi aya ta kadi taw ko mbudi din no jawi walla no jippi be halanta ma ko kala ko falda ko re sengo nyamete ili nebba maro basal pomme de terre kala ko rewi don a hendo to har no weebi kadi wona dum don tu be abbe jonnira mobile phone siko dum kadi laptop kala ko wayro de jibe ay kasbawa be wawma jonnute kadi sa fala on pitade ko weebi etti Google account ma joni data ton wada download app mabbe on ayay kala ko humpi may mabbe ton be weebi ama
ka wonda woy aduna on
kala ko wawda
a jonnana e wondo ka leydi men Gambia do dépense
harano weebi ama si dun no fono nebi immo den joni mi do tama ka place mabbe jan
waden joni
iya heba ko fala
waden kisam.
Are you thinking of owning your dream homes? EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3 or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tar roads, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464-838. WhatsApp us on 3259-220. Or you can visit our Facebook page or Instagram on EJ Investments. EJ Investments, we are first in properties.
Hello! There's a new update from your favorite GSM operator, AfriCell.
For all of you that have struggled to buy cash power beyond $7,000, AfriCell has done it again. The limit to buy cash power is now up to $30,000. Oh yes, $30,000.
Buy all the cash power you want from your AfriMoney account by dialing *777#.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
It's an amazing offer. AfriCell Mobile Money just got way better. The threshold for cash in and cash out on your AfriMoney has been increased.
Where it used to be 10,000 per transaction, now it has been increased to 30,000. Meaning, your AfriMoney account, you can now withdraw and deposit up to $30,000 at once.
Cashing in and out just got 3 times easier. For more info, call 777.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
mbenda ñinale ko sañi saboko ñanta constitutional review ñanta kilal ñanta constitution change sañi saboko what mo ngana ta no election.
Let us not be labor too much time on those letters because I know they have relevance.
UDP is just calling on President Adama to respect the agreement that saw him to power and also to fulfill the promise that he had made to the Gambian people.
If you want to meet the target, we lost 22 years. We have to work 22 times more than when we are working to get to where we are.
It is false to say that this country cannot develop a budget that will sufficiently cater for the health needs of our people.
Me and you know that Barrow cannot move this country forward.
Assalamualaikum baringol ngali konton kale bismillah koteke momobe kerfatu jibe kan nyente mena la ploti kacha murtanale ne mi alon ka kanale talata o talata nanyim wato sita donc politicianol nati yande mi alon ko ni ka kacha politiko ko Gambia banko kanjang officiel nyim programme o fasa ka sembenti andi ito le blodo nyim programme o ko of course am nyim sungaro ko no kala mo promotion bale ke kan andu mo jamale prize jamale win of course official 1010 ala tenten ka kumandi albe fen jamaale wirna alsi salibo jama sotono from official water number 7 and number 2 itolam besti Gambia banko kanjang so woto ngal bismillah koteke talata koten anim politician dolu mi alon ko nin walle na bare lalo ne talata nin politician ol kanale mi alon ko ni ga kacha banko ko la Gambia banko kanjang atamandir nya bari sulatale purka banko ta bari fanan ko mi alon ko lebe nyamerin la dol to franke bondi nyoto politician ol bulu gal ke la moy jang bari mol fanan ka kol kele ka nyinin karo ke la politician ol e lafta mun la politician ol bulun ka nyimbe ke nyim programme otole bidun ngamin soto walem haji swaneti atelem of course am public relation officer de 3 years jorna kafo mi alon ko e lota nun commando na la kilo ba kan non proka banko president ka itanda la ko sanji sabale fonu mole andin sanji sabonyin tambitale saying wala sanji sabonyin e nyanta jilale Gambia banko kan jang yo lole non andon ifinditale non bedola kan purukela of course am balambaya kenon commando na la kilo ba kan non ye samba num kitiola andon saintente akamtale ko ya withdrawle na ba kacha la janne mo fulanjango nyanta min sotla non walem of course am Abdou Wilan ali akala mutale kunu aketa multi mi alon ko atening Omar Futata non United Democratic Party la bureau mi alon ka frenti manjay andon ay min foje wolem nyinti ko e kafuta United Democratic Party male yo kuma ko le foje nyantata sodla non pour na akacha bearing kafo nying la secretary general fanam fintale min kera of course some sorry bati ate fanan ko amangi kuti mi alon ka to nyata ko kafo nying amang kafu United Democratic Party la ate min fakan wolem jinti ko akaka mtele ko mofula dama mi alon ko abele executive wol kono wolle findira ka kafu United Democratic Party bari Abdou Wilan be mo hakke dane la manna soto no baren kumandile ate fanan anata of course kabira abe silo kanne nun kana bodon fortunately anata defo dole soto mi alon ko amanna nano anata muru otombe molbe hakke dane la wala baren Abdou Wilan mantarano bari haji ben fele of course studio kono jang Kerfatu haji ebe live
abaraka bake buba nga jibir lal be konton ngebe tentu ngebe jay be duwala amu be ka poyen letul qadri ni mala ani alamala na sungol muta kan na batol be muta salol ni na duwalu alamala be jabi be sama men fana ko la wala 2021 tinga nyatli men wala mu electionoti election me yalon ka kuma ta bakele Gambia di ngolem buba be duwala fo ala men si Cairo kenyen nga nyatli men fo ala men sa be abe kenyen Cairo ti doron ka be kenyen lafitala nyamenna ka Gambia di ngol tanka kan kisi masiba ko fim bako ala mala jamfanda kan jamfanda ko la buba abaraka bake ini la jibir la be
fosa fono 3 years jotna feltale
alhamdulillah abaraka bake law nyin karola kuma ta bake la 3 years jotna nimmen sa haymano biring wultalu menna animbi tema ila lonkan menti ni ajibe kadu men kuma da fa kuma da wala nyinti ko ilo talon lonkan wala kam wo lonkan ni ajibe ya kisi ya analyze bake 4 lay soxitale kandu ya kol men kacha wala ya kol men nyinin ka president baro bulla ande sula kol men tan ka fana tambe tan sanyi sabola men kela wala ate men keno la wo be lanke mata gambe dingo lenne hanata me yalon ka man tire jotna support wato men ibe kol foka so kol be bije me yalon ko wolde are critical bin wato men be fola mo la mena fo nyalel mata bar birim president baro fon ay yutonoke force pour ka tire so nyin kawo ka wo reject ka tire so condition ko 5 le so ate beta la condition la mandate la abe sanyi sabo nya abot la ko male be ngala ka fa yutono le geje wo yutono tire jotna ko hani ite wala kenola because kol le bije me yalon ko nyin tire sanyi sabo ko la inyanta ka meltala wo kolu ngeji nyame na niko be tambele ni sanyi sabola akamto ko be nyaka asla wala andu ne nyaka so la akamto ko be gambe tarende kanne ñu gambe ngamen ko mandi o nted naw ko la abol ko la CRC me yalon ko constitutional reform committee lemu commission lotale pour ka constitution nyi ka jibe ka lon ko gambe ngol lafta nga dum mun kon loi marad sifa nyandi le kon la ibaje la o marad sifa nyi o be kala gambe ngol fon la county abakele tele tati abakele la miral nyata abakele la folti wala fol ni o miral nyal wol be lota nyokam birim baro ka yutonoke ay wala ka dalilo ti ako mbenga kala mudata CRC they are on consultation o yalo video was viral o CRC be consultation la so nyaade dum mbaflate ko IG because atela legacy akamunto ko mallafi wo consultation nyi o draft consultation ay completely atela presidency la am legacy pour wo yedungo ko la mol mallafi wala so atata ji la because nin draft consultation nyi nin CRC tata consultation ni pareta yanda ka draft nyi sambale atela cabinet nyata ka jibele fanali la recommendation wala la consultation ya resye den ya samba to the parliament ya samba to referendum yamur ni executive ko executive ya samba to referendum so natra o mankeno ati mantra jila sansa bo fana mandate man memo 5 years so bari ngajale yutono kedale to complete that constitutional review commission and then to have a new constitution wo felta wo yutono keda pour ko succeed ni bari ngajale ko yutun ko de nata min dole bido constitution fana pareta ndel ko men nyalon ko ndel ngulta ngam fo ko le mun ko men nadun tawo sanji lulo kono la anyamanta sanyi sabola wala musanyi lulo anyamen wala mu 15 years wala 10 years anyabola wala more than that yajale to self perpetuation ni na force petition oje wala beje we are concerned that natra president baro tambela ni 3 years ola there will be self perpetuating rule back to Gambia again ngo wrestle how many times ngo wrestle at telephone platform auto the Denison FM and other places you understand kajo self perpetuation rule 3 jotna bulta pour ka political deception kele pour self perpetuation rule akana na Gambia ko tege kadum ni am self perpetuation ni dawda akam ke fam marandi mol kan anata mol man tan la fi ni aji dawda munika ka wala political new manene kana ka kumo fo mol me yalon ko fam yalon ka fo takela but sina bo wala diata mol min diata mol tulo min diata niwe isi o fo yem pour membe bulla ya soto ne blokol la niwo kata doro ni ngaw ala doro akam daga nga nyaati men wala mun doro president wala na nyaato ngolu e be karla ke fam marandi kan hanata aw manya na kala nga jele ko constitution ni bila pareta parliament before parliament executive yela voice raise ya des mun la wala mun tiri jotna concern men raise before wala mun di president Barrow said wo retroactive clause men budgeting wona da pour ka tere hont ya understand wo is a haunting clause so means that wo it has to be removed there woni ku ko tol me yalon kay but the most me concern wala mo atela mandate now amenu kumbokan akosanji lulu pour I will draft constitution I will complete but mo not na say ako retroactive again means that he want to go further beyond the 5 years and which the agreement says that subsequent election atamanya na ka dablaji and atefon wo read le convention ko la me yalon ka ko I Adam Barrow I will be the candidate flag bearer of the coalition opposition party then I will contest for elections on the 3 years agreement and after that 3 years I'm not going to be a contestant for next subsequent election that is coming I'm going to prepare come prepare all fair and transparent elections and then label the plain ground for all politicians to feel themselves comfortable you understand then any winner that is announced by the IEC atebe presidency hano bala woyale he will go back to his business ngamara yin fo Gambia dingol be mo sa nga jelo ko bin sen sabo nyin collapse ta kon zono mune a felli because of Adama's greediness to go for further 15 years because mune ma ko nyim 5 years follow mo nyana ka count ko tek just like the 3 years now the 5 years also supposed not to be counted wala na tambi akaw konzono nyanga tatano because wona da telephone
3 years jonna ale strike fulan nyangol kele ka finti ka la bramba ya tandi force wano mo jamal finti tale second one ale turn out so tale but still now wala objective mo mintino wala minti ko pour ka je ko president ngo ni sanji sapo sita IG ko afunu mo le nyam but nyim man nak wala na be nyinin ka kan fo den atolla xamo feltale mi alon ko ale wala sotono
ndilla xamo ko nga fa ya amam fail animal la integrity wala compromise ala morality because ama moral issue ama muta ku kumata
deportaji amanji
no amanji wo man kumantele men kumanda wala na message comme nata men fokanun nata adama mantel vindicate no comme ay draft constitution a pasta a tra referendum ya approve security sector reform akeda successfully you understand because akala legacy ngawala he talk about this legacy because awole ke recent pro katambi o sanyi saboni nata security sector reform a complete civil service reform a complete constitutional review commission doko ke ya pasto executive as national assembly atara referendum mole la decision ota woko successful arma la fingo on la ba fala ndel multa ngolota menna means that we have failed woefully but we have succeeded because ngamen fo arma daji goto wole langue mata gambia dingolia asani saboni mbaile ama bay gambe aya baya funkulole ala on interest aya wala na asani saboni aya reject and ko teke condition fana ko teke reject men so bola fana ayo fana reject ko teke security sector reform fana failed civil service reform ngajel be the entire civil service adama want to make them all politicians so means that until ngamem fo until man failed until la message ngamem fo adama vindicated us that we are quite correct memem fo kan wala mto nyata
well kabring ibal mutakang lo men mbe menun life le ni interview sotole on that day so but ya kabrial muta fo janni bal bulalam ite mune crossi alla mutaroto
ya ngamen cross je wala mu wala be men kala majid wala mu ngalo ne kafe be mutalale it was very much clear to me that be mutalale because yalo biringa nyin ko be damuta initially biringa be damuta it was early 2019 come no later part of 2019 ngada ngin tide whole issue of tide damuta so wodumo ni la interaction no ya itanina la kafo if hanata yantel ala be na ko men keka but at the end of the day we will be convicted so and then bring a permit of an apply na force protest near engagement on mesoto doubt member to nga doubt min clear ka joko telbe me mirading wala même fo molien through their spokesperson ka bonde mo fit naka folti we are different from that we love this Gambia more than them and we love the country more than them and the country we are not a second hand citizens in this country we are first class or first hand citizens in this country I understand mbama lim fama lim munyo de ulta mbago kanyan so ndel ngai tan le ka fo nimbango ndel nga kam ka seti anu ngai fa tan ka fo ni aje ndel be mbango fo mutan bulu fulo fa ko de astar problem fo de la if you check from West Coast Brikama to Banjul State House masakunda property where is it itaje no la so property membe je wonde le fa on tali modu de fon tali tati nyano la so ngobe ngi proof de ka fo we are ready to protect the properties of people than you people iko te pamito la ne batal na uloko la ya na uloko la ngoye ngo we don't care the only important thing we care is our voice the message so ngake dawda that will be reached to where we want it to go you understand ya pamito di mola buba yalla plano abgana wostala men ngalo ka fo na second protest abgal problem mode ni mola interaction ka jibe mulil kita ka post analysis of the protest bring ngake ngaje ko definitely many ketalung elapses and many ketalung successful nim police sita ngakacha security force the heads of the security force we start with them all discourse if only I recommend that definitely ngani on the 16 Kenya men 16 December Kenya men really it was it would terms of ya ko ka bulko ni wulsando kan
kal tendu kal jala
ngamenke so wo kono la ning ila diamo kono la ndenga ku fendo fon resi to kono wo manya nakake comme this security wo manya nakake ya understand ngake nyamena exactly wanyanta ka wonyal wonu mu yakul be tum fon le bloko la nimme lafta ka silo bula e kan tele consult ngata ma do diamondi nimme diamo fo mi yalla ko ngata ma do diamondi nimme yalla lafta ta din ka fo ngono amanke nyindi nyinam ya understand ba bin tara second protest ya because nga petitional set abo petitional ko la ka fo ning adama men respond for certain period of time we will regroup and then raise our voice why amamol answer this was the whole objective na jina second protest ya understand nga petitional le safe o petitional nga ko le fo ko la adama pour ay finti dam ay mol jabi afana la lo la muneti na ma woke because we are citizens we deserve to be responded by the president because tele nga electing you understand so amanya na ka afangora ka sentelt hana tara presidency le bar mol le ke ko so ni mo la sula ko so ya table nya tin wal ijenta fana nyanta ke famma jintonto yake mod me yalla nga responsible la ye finti e ma do jabi ngo bar na ma ga ka muta ka juta molal so be finti ko nga nyini nga ko teka which we did nga pamito apply again the same challenges come back again funta ya kumol fo me yalon ko manyang e ka fo abuba yen sa Facebook nga samba ja yen sa Facebook nga demba ja yen sa Facebook so those are threat to security ni comme ku jama e ko legal is not we prove all those things wrong convince them to give us permit this thing will go successful men ka fo man tata ka nyentele ka taji just to make this story stop so wo kono la wo international be kono la because I met the IGP, I could remember 8 or 6 times.
That's the late IGP.
The late IGP, I understand. 8 or 6 times, naka meet. Because each application for a permit, ninta raje buka dinna, so the amoka siya labal funsi taje nata er kasha kodege. But now the amoka kola taje nka remember, sinyasa babu me abafon te face. Kafo, look, you are very young. You have a future to go. You understand? You have a future, so don't involve in this because at the end of the day, you will be convicted even if you are issued a permit. So last thing I have going go, but look, convicting me or not convicting me, that means if I did something wrong. Woman try to block on obe kiti bon block on. Ntedo me ngante man la fitala kiti bon fado because me mo ke wala na jam pour ka permit to apply. Permit to ko don because ka loi noma pour ya ko me alon ka tatara loi bandala. So malala ite yanda ka fontele ngo ninga nyinko ka de day is in convict no.
Ite una cross it seems abe min faka wala nyindo ka alone already battle mutala.
Wala senatam. Wala senatam because nyaja I inforno and then he's a top man in that job. So means that I don't exactly ya munata bindel kamaje. But in the last one I was there with Yankuba Dabo and then others. Now if I can go tell we are not going.
I know the former IGP is late. So muna wala relationship SIS la director.
Yeah, SIS la director. I can say he was the man behind all these evil things.
Usman Sow.
Usman Sow be nyun call be kom.
Nyade.
Yim plano me budgeting atele be nyim be kom. Atele ka fo IG ngo pamito dila, atele ka fo IG ngo kana pamito dila. That Usman Sow eka mento fo nyenteng. So because now mitino be kon la.
But haji e wolo nyade le.
Aka participate le. Nala mitino be ngam mitino be aka participate yele. Mbuka ka kom. So Usman Sow, he is part and parcel of it because remember he's the head of SIS. So janin ko kunuga ka atele kala men sent to the ground puri wolela kisi role whether on social media or some places like that. Atele kala fingol ka. So he's the one who's to convince the IGP to give us permit or to deny us a permit. And natural fana je IGP ka fo nyengo SIS la head I inform ko ka fo nyini jana so it's not safe. After fana daya fole. This Ninka remember in Facebook you have Fatih Hydra there, and then you have Wali Junior there. You will be to mention. Ka Fatih Hydra or Kasafero Menke will they are threat to security.
You are Usman Sow.
Usman Sow afon die off.
So you got Fatih Hydra and Wali Junior follow.
Fatih Hydra and Wali Junior all mean the problem. I don't know who those guys are, but they are a serious problem to this Barrow government.
But for Walla battle sponsor can know
I don't even know.
I don't even know. Allah kodo boy laugh and
Nte mahana lo mune fomo Jumala from Fatih Hydra. Nan man diam new Arjino kan man but ingela post je on Facebook but malon Jumala mode. It's a Facebook name that I'm seeing, but I can see that government has seen them as threats because they expose
including
government.
The SISDG.
The SISDG atele fa told mention ko atele ka atele imprinting ka la kala ni mo nyati ngo. Na ben jibe ka yalo ngam fo. Alon ngam fo atele ka to nata ay table mo nyati la at Ministry of Interior. Yankuba Sonkola officer. Atele nyun ko be resje. Alon nga find ko ka for definitely these people are not the applicants of that permit. They nga permit to apply and then we are responsible. We are responsible people, you understand. You don't love this country more than us. Nata nyimbang kuntel manyin kanu nte permit to apply la no. Because our people we are ready to go without a permit. But we don't want that because we don't want to be above the law.
Haji, you are the PRO, so Allah kodo ka bonu muntole.
Nkella kodo it comes from members. Na members on nakodo ka bolu la mange ka fo komeng.
Jamal yal 2 million ko UDP legal sponsor or ila mol mi alon ko lebe diaspora. How true is this?
Yalon diamulal ka mon dia dai sa fo nole. But UDP has never even initially they have never even supported this 3 issue. So wala has a party will kubol control me alon ka mange 3ST because Barrow is not a threat to UDP. Barrow is not a threat to the UDP party. Barrow is not a threat to UDP politics. UDP have their political power, which they can do without the 3S Chotna. But 3S Chotna is a separate group, pressure group. We want to fight politics of deception. We don't want leaders, that's including the UDP. We are there to fight hold the entire coalition accountable, and which the UDP was not an exception. Yeah, fam. So UDP intental sponsor, whereby we are mentioning their party leader's name every day. We went through so many interviews. I hold them all accountable because Barrow is the head, yes, but coalition members would be to hold them accountable based on the fail that they have failed the Gambian citizens based on that 3 years agreement.
Yes, so what doubts people? Me and Mol Jamal Hakilo Nyamende, Nia Jibe Kabri UDP as security for Fintita. Ita to Fintita Jele. Yankuba Fintita Jele. And of course, Allah 3 years jet na member doll. Jamal go, okay, then UDP la kafolem nyindi. How true is this?
UDP, among UDP la kafoti. But members of UDP were there, like myself, I was there, and I was the spokesperson of the 3A Jotna. Barrow knows me very well that I'm from UDP. Dusano knows very well that I'm from UDP. I share the same campaign platform with them. Nigga campaign yogale, nigga femfenkel. But they know me since inception. Kavon defana mumol me alongo. Hana try ke bata nyawonya. Buka kumofono ya bakang. Just like ya baka symbol beto. I will challenge you, and that's the challenge I did. And then I have did it based on what the constitutional moral allowment because constitutional have given me the right to be associated with any kind of group or association. So constitutional ma fanyo ni be UDP etarola state jot nakol. Constitutional ma ni be UDP you cannot hold a government accountable. Constitutional ma fonte. So I hold the government accountable based on my constitutional rights, and that's each and everybody's right. Just like including you, the journalists, you all will vote for a party. So that is your right to vote for them, and you all support a party whether openly or secretly, and that is your constitutional right. But that has nothing to do with your job.
So, and no one was sponsoring this, it was only the members?
It was sponsored by the members. When we are ready, we go on fundraising, and then you put your money there, and then supported the initiative. So, entirely, it was purely supported by or funded by our own members.
Aji ye mune observe barola man sakunda do kabri dunda nyim problem o kono kabri yal muta kwal samba kiti wala ye mune observe ye mune crossi
ngamen observe je wala mudron the system you fought, that's the same system barobe o tamane ngam ko tek wala mu nimbe ifasa kan hanatra kam muneke akurata nyaawo nyaawo woka nyiye nya ko lal bar ne yalla me mbete konti bonde ka membe lo ngel ma sakuna ma ka fa ko nyimbe dunda ya manya ka dunya nyanda ka dunya ibe nyimbe ke manya ka ke nyanda ka ke ten you hold that as an enemy. So ayaten ko kunna puri akala. So barola man sakuna they are there to suppress anybody who want to hold them accountable, but they are there to also be open to anybody, including criminals, if you want to support their political agenda.
All right, so what's next for 3 years Jotna saying?
3 years Jotna, the next for them is to continue holding government accountable. Not about the 3 years agreement now, but on national issues that are important to national to the citizens of the country. Yeah, understand. 3 years Jotna be pare pour ko kelo ko wala. But amange ga fa ko kelo ko ko baro ji sani sabote. No, what am I ko mentambe you cannot be fighting for something that you know that you have no force to
So what are you going to fight for again?
There are a lot of things in this country to fight. You have corruption, rampant corruption. Corruption is going rampant in this country. You can sensitize people to choose the right person to vote for, so that we will all have a country that is going to be in the interest of our own self and our future children and then our daughters. You understand? So, wolem could be along bimbe kelela mainly nakare nitapale corruption. Me nyatri na walale, and we will expose that to the last extent. Me katala ko kalale. So me mo fana katala ko kenya fana yele ko deke. Munel mu kol mi alon ko nyaton kol nyanta ka munel cross nyaton kol la kolto janin kan cartel fight. Me focus lo fana kan bakale to sensitize the masses about their civic right, but to choose the right person so that the person or more taraje soma ay tonu te kan ay found ko men definitely soma kuna me nyinike bula teleta mo de force so nyanta ka diala me o sifa mo kala me embaklo kan bakale
mune ale mon corruption ne cross
corruption wo kay mon tellement aman ken tela corruption de mari masa afuk man sa kuna fon ko corruption jumala be tamakela man sa kuna kono masa kuna fon le admit Minister of health nata isi mirano back to the start of the COVID-19 for biri wato men 500,000 allocate 500 million allocate
the National Assembly
biring ya
the National Assembly
minister animbori bata the National Assembly yala moma du wada ko kodi and moman kido la atongola afon le af akata la ministry membe je woyata kijo farale ministry wo be mun ko to man ta masa wona ko ako ko do biri nyim ko la ko mo fo abeko mom kata do ko la han men fana man tan do ko la wutumo han men man tan do ko fana la bele ta kata so do ko la jumale mo molti ay fole ba investigation mount talba ko do kita nyaadi le banta nyaadi le afota le ba amam fo ya ba so men fo ko be san la where are those materials inata le ba ye le ba no nte meje because kata hospital le kata even a meya pras mo man traje after the revelation of that issue oxygen me alon ko le nyanta ka nyin personal be tekea e ka personal je be complain hani be tarada menna wotra do be mantra nyakuri e mantra ke kuri e dolbe do sa jambe norin do sa jio fo man soto ya hotel mantra scenario. So after the disbursement of that huge amount of money ya je yaw mano fran tala nyamena bias ya selectively e katra jama barola party NPP wala ka nyaton ko asalaro nyaton ko men la fital wala kaso ilafta me asolo kaso man la me asolo ta soto especially in the rural communities me alon ko fon le witness ye. So a lot of corruptions
kadi NPP ngol e koy kadi NPP ngol
mainly NPP ngol in the rural communities mainly NPP ngol mfon le wajin tela area kan tela area MPP ko wala aso nyafula and then kodo fana bi ko World Bank ko fana o tite sono fana fenke for the rural communities ajama MPP ko itele kaso I don't know male ko fabrique nyaawa nyaba ida male ka tala ida multi million ko support wala ita mole ya foyen ko ibina la yeto sa fe MPP le for you to get that money ngo fana jela and it's corruption so ngajele you go to fisheries the permanent secretary mune kata a corruption akada mole ko and hani bi tema investigation of inda abimintole mo ma jeno it's all corruption to back people who definitely are corporate mol mabo many along definitely fonga alka fo nyin bulo ben worne all mabo because you better support ka yeta de fertilizer issue ha investigation ale the capital court ministry of justice hansan ala report ole moma mun keraje you go to the fisheries again they said that the place is on fire who burned the place investigation yajele ba it's all corruption so corruption e ba kun le barolo man sakuna ko la jam fonga buli jam ha fonga na sungo deja ita banda kontela because if on le fana ka famila manga ndel telephone le kaf adena de commission ka lole wo commission ka fe même fintini mo buka ja nyala so corruption o be
3 years jotna aning Gambia for 5 years ngalon ne these were groups me alon ko ila mirror man kile non completely well kunu ngajele Abdou Wilane aning Omar Sanyang natale e cross capital of course to United Democratic Party well ye Gambia for 5 years and peace building Tofo Jele. And B, Ibrahim Soriba is saying that wo grupo mang join. It's only 2 people joined. What is your relationship with that group? 3 years Jotna and Gambia for 5 years. And what did you know about them?
For me, particularly, I don't know anything about them. Anything particular about them. They are a press group who wanted to hold the government accountable to respect the constitution. But they are well associated with the Barrow Youth Movement. They are very well associated with Barrow Youth Movement. Then, because Barrow Youth Movement and Barrow Fans Club Natale, ye be created and for the NPP. So one more many along with Barrow Fasaka, one more idolu, wolel yenko initiate. Modofan la fatekam, Barrow man la fekam pru ka Barrow Fasa. Wala fateka pru nyaton kolia lua bunya. Wala mundi itelko consuno is ahead of any agreement. Intelko. We know that consuno a little bit lower besanto, but morally, Baroka resigned because of an agreement has made, and consuno fana must stop pura okay. And we want to set an example because nimmo okay. Eko consuno men for the kafoko, he's aware of everything. Baro benala uletala aba buchala aba telola atela size, which is happening now. Malafeka understand. So there's no problem between the 3 years journal and the Gambia for 5 years. Gambia 5 years, there ni a conference menke, ni we participate in peace conference there, don't know, because the people are concerned that we want to look ahead with them. No, now make sure very clear. These people, it is their right to hold the government accountable. Likewise us. Ndefana nyanto la mpurunga masakuna konti bondi. So nibe la konti bondi longa ngalo be permit to apply la. Ninde fana mentaka men permit to apply la. So muna ndo lolbe class la. We have nothing to do with them. Nima nyoje dawdale. So ning Brown Soriba ko nyin mol mem Gambia 5 years man join UDP la. Amang Gambia ko 5 years wala join the UDP la. Ya moni fote foku mo ka fukule fo me yalongo fo man kala longala. Because a moment sa feka for Gambia for 5 years wala join the UDP la. They said executive members of Gambia for 5 years.
But you fo so sole.
No,
but ni Omar la moy Omar Sanya nak makongo ni ala moy aba fakan ne kom itol mo fulole nata but fundinkel milbebe koma wolbe kabra ay kalamutande ko abe kafla
ako melba te koma ma melbe Gambia 5 years koma ako melba te koma aba make sure ibebe na la UDP and I ijama fa fina you consult already. Those people are on their way coming. Because kunu itena nola due to some kind of logistic issues, I understand. But after Salo, akabe dantlale. So let's wait and see whether abenatla wala atena atinola. But I meant fast that wala munta atenatale. Atena decide.
But still, nala interview bi someone da Ibrahim Soriba. Akonye ko in fact mo fula da malem. Amanke executive faulty. They have more than 12 people ngamira ila executive fault kono.
Yala bira fana.
Mo fula da ma.
Bira fana. Asafeta da mena fana. Mon ma fo ila executive bira fana nata. Numbers were stated in that news. Number for the Yamange, Molgo, Ibrahim Soriba, no color, and Taka for Polinata. Not really in Taka for Natafom to be mentioned as a Kafanata Ford. But a more to mention, particularly Ibrahima, Omar Sanyang, and Abdul Williams. They let to mention Ford. So not Atamanna, Momato Farafaka. So why is he bothered himself? And I look for Ning Abdul Williams was his deputy. And Omar Sanyang was their national youth president. I shared the same platform with them. on several media outlets. I understand. So nobody will tell me who are they. Including him, Ibrahim Soriba. So I don't think Malala found is back and forward because Gambia 5 years executive. They were part of Gambia for 5 years executive members, and they are senior members in that executive. So they have decided. What is wrong with that?
So what did you about this? What people are saying is, Wilan Wolman Kuma no Baroya, so say not a UDP.
Yakuma and Kuma left of them. But politically, I mean, decide for them to join a political party.
Is it about money?
If it is money, they will go to Barrow because UDP has no money to offer anybody. UDP is an opposition party who is trying to build a nation if they come into government. But anybody who want money, so now they decide based on money. The right place to go it is the Barrow camp, not UDP. But they have seen the nation before money. And they said that policies and programs make them to decide for the UDP or decide to join the UDP. It is not based on monies or something else like that. Because not a problem. It's another struggle for your Palacios don't know NPP. But because they have never been belonging to a party, in the mantra particular, they were for Gambia for 5 years, and the reasons was they want to back President Barrow for only 5 years to respect the constitution, but not further. So Biri the law mission complete. Yeah, these people, elected can use it as a tool to continue doing the dirty jobs for them. You understand? Yeah, decide. Your party BGB. According to them, near Tonyafo, Ilauka Fokalaka for UDP. So why not go to the Tonyakafo? Tonyakafo, you all desire UDP.
So UDP is the Tonyakafo.
What
did you know about Ibrahim Soriba?
I know Ibrahim Soriba. He's from Basse, and he's somebody who may along Molia tone on the back of Hali Basse Fong. Yeah, understand. Kujama lekafa ala kunto. Best known to the people. But I California don't call a new Bugalabanco. Jamfana don't call Newfoundland Malabanco. And without a radio Koduko Lacani Bulanol.
Kodo.
Nah, Kodo, Olacani Bulanol. Olicola Facumoto.
So you didn't Koduko.
Anyway, or less people who say that they come on air, but thank
you very much. That's fair enough. Yeah. Bahore ale press release fintinde akamale last time ngajele kabrim president otata in Sierra Leone what mune wala kamfa koti Bahore la koto
Bahore amanken kamfatale man kamfa Bahore fana kam makoteke bari na press release ay kudole min wala min politico aning kabila ko manyoje wala siko manyoje
si faram faso
ani si faram faso manyoje dala Bahore president Barrow be speak la in Sierra Leone Freetown abe Sierra Leone government community address kan there alors president Barrow address kon la amata sunyar ko la ka fo comme sunyaro be masakuna ko la ni ni sa ngol bantala je Bahore a mention ala diamo ko la ko sa mandin kolu ite sunyaro ken la mandin ko la sunyaro sa bantal sa wodi amoning ngaje ko definitely manyana kan entertain mol manyana kan tolerate atuluma bang wala asobe maba ini man nga killing face to face nata sanawiyal bal tema you can mention it, but when it comes to politics, it's sensitive. So ngajo ko definitely using those kind of languages towards a tribe is a threat to our peace. It's a threat to our unity. It's a threat to our oneness. And sarahulo ning manding call ifututale amanke biti. Ifututale sarahulo barindingo be manika kunda, manika barindingo be sarahulo kunda. Nin mol idingol be nyoya fana. So ifututale futu me yalon ko fana definitely I body fana I will nyel tema. So nobody can do anything pour ko body atinya sarahulo ning manikol tema. More especially kapolitiko dungo te pour wole jampanyola. So ndirngajo ko na finti because adiamuta mena adiamuta kunkil na tolla. So has a sarahulo community or group supporting the United Democratic Party me yalon ko tribalism mboka fasa mfintita. We support on UDP to my friend mention or nga kumo for Saraule count me alon ko wole be UDP manifesto wole la police kolla pour Saraule fana sa moyno ina na o grupo lona ya understand ka kul be for Saraule count pour Saraule salon no def na nyim programme ni le UDP bolla wole findita ka bahro la ko mo condemn ka tan digam ben ko la nyim bahro ta mal la ko account para man Saraule ko ndala ko account because Saraule ni man ni ko tema there is oneness and that's his relationship. So what relationship ni delte mo kilingela ibe kumo falme yalon ko aso relationship ni asa second no asa jarjara ni no so lat nam finita ngaji nan ko bahore la ko ani momoni membe ko men bahore men ka ni miral sifalu wala ni kuma kan sifalu ta ike address siol la akata man ka kunda de bang akata sala kunda de bang we have to find a full stop to it gamben ko benyanta ka kodi sifram fansolale especially when it comes to politics because political ni sifara kanso e mambentu lawla e manyo lawla fana ningi bulanyo ko miram kilin doron na Cairo abe jijalale ando ni karo jijada jang ama mo geltu ko mo.
All right, thank you very much. So straight away, mita ka Lionel yele mole bayring wolem of course segment labangot kerfatu jang ko nga fale nyamen do nga mola ke dani wilan mannano because anata isu dolle soto be silo kan non kana anata murum so but mba katala le nga soto jang anyway ka fo mole Ibrahima Sori ba nga invite janne Nadia mudale somanda pura na jang bara ko nyako ani wilante platform killing ite taranola platform killing to ay wala fanya right so mba katala le nga defana nati nga la side of the story moy ni ala kiti dala mbele flaka molbe nati ila side of the story il puritul fana ya sata so kamola kilo blandi afrisele nyim programme o fasa ka sembenti andi to le blodung a programme o koto 1010 ala kumandi sinya jama la salosi diano le number 7 ni number 2 natra wolebe bludrong so mbe straight away Lionel yella on 2035488 njikita technician ol bakala screen out la barinti datari atale 2035488 wolem Lionel 2035488 mbe WhatsApp tala le mbe WhatsApp kumandiro tala le but at the same time be direct calls ol tala natre be Gambia banko kanjang ni be Gambia banto fana isi direct call kino la barin Jamal fana kawle prefer so that's the number 2035488 2035488 2035488 wolem of course number timi alon ko mbe kumandiro tala of course mbe kumandiro tala walla jang jigidele ko already dolbe tara line otole all right ngana force callata line out on the 2035488 yes hello live.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Yo mbalu konton na pake.
Ngejo ba.
Ebe QCell la.
Yes, ebe live le on Kerfatu.
Ambe live le Kerfatu.
Okay.
Ndo olto no.
All right, thank you very much. I think all right, so
ngata me fama
kiankol no adino manyintara call get direct so 2035488 2035488 be do chibela line auto le straight away on 2035488 dolbe line auto yes kiankol al kanan jomol ni jan hello alaikum salam abiya
no ken
tante jumale madi ko ni lo mundo Italy. Okay, welcome.
Yes, Allah ka chat yada ba.
Okay.
Bara for haje ko kilin ba ja ko 5 years golbe be sanko be sutiare barola but for to la 3 years at least 5 years one moment NPP la executive bari so mo jale be
UDP la executive. Okay, abe jabila le amay.
Nyinin ka buwa alka question so na di nyinin ka on now fanya na nyinin ka la baratol at least it only they have executive in UDP so and 5 years moment NPP la executive
waji nga wara nyinin
moment je so mo la beje
askira aletra mo
all right thank you very much nyela call appreciate back all right thank you very much nga nga illetale ga chuno bar nga aji nyinin ka wala but han still now aba jabilale ni ala kiditala so nga dota line nodo yes hello ibe live
hello assalamu alaikum
alaikum salam
be call ke kan England le
okay itolu hello Jarai okay Jarai welcome
thank you very much alla programme Betata Mbafala Honorable Hajiego thank you very much
thank you
brilliant contribution Mbafala sorry Bayeko what is the agitation about UDP more following move to UDP what is their problem Nico 5 years executive moved to UDP but my problem is their executive itewo bondi knowledge going to take those people to place because in Atasile purka kumol for milia lonko wait all hot come Hajia Fonyame. Nico UDP is all executive, is all MPP, is all UDP. 3 years Jotna is all UDP. How about 5 years Jotna? They are all MPP. So my problem is, this is a little advice, maybe on the political narrative for Mimbitaka and Gambia. We are all Gambians. Ninga Gambia jube wrong interpatala. But alnga MPP le bondinga, UDP bondinga, GMC or any other party nga bondinga Gambia je. Nga ko mimbe Gambia sambala rather than all this fabrication or all this anger, all this what is going on, mote mo kang katinola, mote mo fanola, mote fenkela nyol. Alnga Gambia jube, Gambia bitanola, nyato nyami, nyanta wole jube. That's more important to all of us. It will be a benefit and in a dimbayal mimbe grow kang up will be a benefit. Allah barakabake. And it I told fan journalist all Allah jube alias astop.
Yeah, yes, come again. Hello? Yes, come again. Iko journalist all?
Nko journalist all fan alias stop ka site al nyanta le ka neutral. Bayra almason afra political party.
So you exclude all the journalists. Oh, you include all the journalists. Sorry. All right.
That is just a joke.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate your call. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Ngadota line auto. Yes, hello, Ibele.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Yo, Alimbara.
Inimbara, welcome.
Mbela leba. Sere fatu.
Itodum.
Ngata mo jabileti. Mbe sawane konta na bake.
Okay, abe moika.
Baraka bake.
Tabaya badim na jabila ni mindi amra nyi sumanda.
Baraka bake jabi alaji.
Kosa di. Ela programa ali ko win befa bele correcta. And 3 years man fail. Bumi ko ya sara nyama man fail je. Just name them 3 years the objective of the Lord in minka hani bi hal continue wala. For the nin December because Allah do ko santa be banna bang. December on the 4 Allah do ko bandale. Ale do ko commencer ha moy bang.
Inshallah.
Allah baraka.
Thank you very much. Baraka bak, hello.
Hello, Bari, Kairata.
I don't know.
Yo, Allah program odi ata Allah baraka bak.
Aba jumalam.
Jarai.
Okay, welcome, Jarai.
Afo aji yamba konta na bak.
Ngejo.
First la saka ming address wolong aliye 5 years la mangu ming invite Brian Nana. Program nyin fama madi yako aning William the Silap kene kilinto. Yalo mandi ko le min ko kuma to ko da ko nyo. Amon kuma soto abe min vola min to nyata ta. Wona di lo kan nyata ate is so professional. Di anyanda kama be keno nyo. This is very simple. Imantar na kan je ku wola. They are there to speak their opinion. Adu fana ibakala in the manale in this also no open. So na da ka fanna na wata man da li so kuma ta da. Dan da wana mu ako 2 years jotnala executive for the near GDP, most of them are from United Democratic Party. But I mean, I can ako NPP mang NPP executives kono moti de mi yalon lako isaku kwa bata 5 years le. Bari lapta ka nyin ka min na fo ataya mi ko NPP mu patrioti mi yalon la fa impact professor. Ni aji be NPP mang impact professor because imang executive sort mi yalon na wara batan lako NPP mu patrioti mi yalon lako is a well structured party. So katanda lako woto 5 years na mo da karano de mi yalon ka betarra NPP la baru NPP mang executive sandi banko mo la katandi ko wona mu NPP la executive. So namira takar last wala.
Thank you very much. Abaraka bagi. Kontanda bagi la kumandira. Thank you very much. Nga dota line auto. Yes, hello, Ibela.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Yo, mbe aji control na bagi.
Ngejo.
Aji be moida.
Mbe duala alfana e fala senal de to kairola.
Amina.
Ndenyi itandila la ko nibe sori bala kuma kan jaji ben somandala interview. Ibalon na lako ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo nyim man kilimbagi. Ate mo molti me ya lon ko ala kumo yo nin ya jibe ni meni botanan 5 years ye ñine itandi ko ye million woro le dila o million woro man na futema barola kamp ñi ndron ne be je ka kodo ka molla banko na fulota ka fufu ñokoto wala be je so mbe ndebe me yamaro dila barola sa hakiloto ala ñim moldo million woro kasika kadi ndumbe akala mutale ko dembo bay fos nana diamu tele kayitandi ko mi baroka mol so kodo landa ka kuke molien be ala moy radio tol so anyanta trale banko na fulu aya mara ku akana ta kadi mo la men yalo ko be tulunna la loptano to borteje fengol be dabe ko yare loptano to mol kataje bu ka hal boru soto aya ta yo kodo ska dundi loptano kunna so la mbal tentula mbali jele mbafala assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh
Abarka Baka, thank you very much. Ngela call appreciate Bakele. So mbita of course WhatsApp or fanantonga GB. Mol mi alon ko wolle be kumandiro ke kan WhatsApp because mo jamal le bi fanang. Mga to fanando ndelo be live. Hello.
Bahaji kontona.
Mahaji be may kan.
Bafula ko let him keep it up. He's doing a great job. Kontanta lo ko Bakele.
Thank you.
NPP will be there come December 4th presidential election. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Abarka, thank you very much. Very short and precise. Nimol ma me line to kwate ave is good. Pour mol be ko hello yes be live. Hello.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Abijan kotande jumala.
Dalamu la mo be ko no ko
Okay, Sven, welcome.
Mejo, Baraka.
Ala kuma ko ngete ada baba. Alhamdulillah la mola de lebe ko dom.
Okay.
Kuma la min fo wala mo NPP executive table. Because of ila 5 years jota be funta wato be na wata mo NPP ma executive photo. Hal sai ma executive photo. So what can on a cat and the Gahoko NPP 5 years good na NPP monthly ko telebe parce que nga du saro yo yele ngela MP gele mi alon ko fudita ibe 3 years ibe 5 years good na do den ala ana fula nyangoro ge mbani ngala muna kina ning NPP la mol na because of ko ni ile programme tambla fabuna de la platform do baral bu ko layno ye ning NPP ko bije mo ka fuka ko ke ba ko layno ye
no galano ile every day
alnyande layno le yella de mol fana yella bay na de jamta mol fana yella mo fa taflo ke mol le opinion bar ne NPP ko na je foy bu ko son ali layno le wana bu ko son layno yella ba malo ala barka
thank you very much thank you very much. So I think covering politics can start. I have to address this. Few programs like it me along come online and those programs are they are recorded. Okay. So nimba play live like Molka Jele is live, but the program is recorded. Okay. Because there was a time that Taranung farafanya for a coverage, but then nga program record lang then Tuesday time I play. So but natra among being come Tata coverage law is not recorded, we open lines. Open, yeah, okay. Definitely. Hello. Yes, hello.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Nimbara la program dia mbake mbe aji konto na bake na be tu do go be tu adis kefatu.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, calling from Spain, UDP chapter.
Thank you.
Okay.
Diam lele mfa kumara de soko one lady diam jarai I am from this Gambia. Let's avoid political challenges na make so na Gambia je akumara de hello
yeah me mo kan so kanela divaso la mo ndol da mala mo yes me tol mo me mo kan go ahead.
Okay. Tonya Gambia do ko atano without being part of a political party in the country.
Okay.
Momo Konte, I am neutral. Muka party support. Nami Omari, maybe a mumpare kala political affiliation or kawale intensify mola, karena mola. But Gambia cannot go without a political party. And the most vibrant and important political party in the Gambia today, wale mu Jumati, wale mu UDP to be candidate. Because ngajele Gambia be kurubuna dunde Gambia kono, kabe adambaro sita. Mwe ya syndicato, I will jampanda pambala ay muna mu yango dia new people worst of all mu dia ko biya le kala spokesperson nyol ti alo mala kun kumbati bi wolle fango wote ko bi adambo da kai le Gambia kono ay na kat na fanna mol mu na kelo ke mu di sacrifice ko da wa fi ko ye they own every valuable thing of their assets ana ile ba fambala bi woto science mun kira as Gambians to nya political ni mun ka buna like in 5 years da mun na UDP ten they are warmly welcome into the party. Gambia is ours. But yani ka fuko the camp they were before perhaps they were in a wrong camp they observe now. Let's go to a better camp. We think that camp can redeem the Gambians, can save the Gambians, can bring sanity and democracy in the Gambia. Well, UDP. So 3 years is with UDP, and most of them are in the UDP executive because they have the brains, they can think. That's why they are in 3 years because promise them. Yeah, I mean, Adambaro, 3 years has arrived. But one taste of crime. So 5 years they don't work up to counter these 3 years. Obviously, just you could promise it, so they have to be they have to be aloof. You know, for example, they come to that party. That is UDP because UDP and Premier can be sustained. Will can be Samarinato. This has also come to join UDP. Some of them, not all of them, because some of them are seeing the Gambia as Gambia. But the Koko and now UDP is the only political party in this country where you can redeem and save the Gambia, bring sanity, democracy, rule of law in the Gambia, and every Gambia will enjoy and pass into the territorial splendor of the Gambia.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate your call. Yeah, thank you very much. Abarka baake ngamram be kumandirol dan chenne mol jamal be kumandiro ke kan but unfortunately ma ntebeta no la gaji go please extend my humble regards to Haji Suane and the entire executive of the 3 years jotna Jamme Chilanka.
Thank you, Jamme.
Thank you very much, Jamme Chilanka. So we cannot read any message now and we cannot take more calls because time mo bantale Haji ako atol fanan ni ko wala mo atodum fan Gambia for 5 years la molle be NPP ako atol fanan na molle be UDP
wala nanga
ay ñinin karo ke
ala star kala moy roke bari comme malon ka fontelu tonya fasala obuka bori tonya ma tonya la munte comme nga fa nyamene yalo ñin kalo nata diamo kono la baro yalo la ka fa UDP la det tout ça yalo ka fa UDP la det anen ñun jama be mi yalo ka fa det UDP la in fact baro birin kata luminescence lu menna ay si kasamba lu menna yalo ka monta ko mo yalo ko amang hañ ka fola birin ka bana bu zone ntelel bala mo tola site la
aji start le
ha ntelel bala mo tola site la for election house birin futata dan QCL house many along be jibero las keno dol some of them could be watching us not right now do kula be fitita abelo sila down pour que baru ka embrace ya understand ko ka je ko definitely ka courage o dunje français la ko courage ka encourage ila kyo belori mo do ka kamto mo membe sino la billahi la ndel bulu dabul ka ngoy bulo wulde mo leng mo be encourage ka fana mo le encourage what mola mara bulu ndita mara ala mara bulu kaligo so mabulande I'm 100% UDP but that won't stop me from holding political leaders accountable mbe kontira mbe kisikisila mbe konti bon la fana ni ngaje dawda my friend be menkira do
I only hope ni UDP win the next election 3 years jotna be continue pour ka mol hold account
until the UDP comes and then you ask me that question again. Dabo was in the
but
coalition.
Why can't you answer the question now?
Dabo was in the election in the executive when I was holding this government accountable. I was telling them to respect the 3 years agreement. When Dabo was in the middle of the government, he was the vice president then. So and then many of them, the late Lamunda Mudiba was there. Ahmad Sada was there. I continue to do it. I do until I mention Dabo's name because more Kafanya Kunata Dabo said he will sue you to court. I'm going to let him sue us to court. It is his right to sue us to court. It is our right to defend ourselves. So Dabo's right na look up me benga mangi silot ay sama court nte fana right lampuru ngam fan defend ye anu Dabo ma fa nimmo mengo baro ji besama kasola de akole nimmo ko ba forcer la pour ay ji ntel ma fa ma forcer la ntel ko le ye ni ne fa molen abunya ya horoma abe kelente nite be na falete kadu Gambia même na ito ko may balo na ka fa defne politico e quand même fa molen woke mole but e kana ko mo fo ko me fo ko men fo ni be political is ko mo fa fo no mole including even telling us lie we said no to that gajo.
Thank you very much, Haji. I definitely appreciate your comment. Ngaro nyinde kala sinya kilente mbe invite la koteke mba vola mole ko of course na salibo including Haji Fango because someone sukuro din na ni sang jigita le ko
salibo na sa sukuro tam
biga na sukuro binane right mbe nga mulbe tenduke jay baake me kanyem programme no ma talata ne nyawato sira
kajo before land 22 transitale NPP salon ko ilaw kacha molu salon ko we are ready so alla platform also na to nyaabe we would like to share the platform with them
debate
with them membe bule law near debate ibalo until we are the
anyway,
the future generation of this country.
Allah suku singare promise le after salo abena proti kajale. That will be a very interesting.
Nason that into the platform was here. Naso what?
All right, thank you very much, Haji. Very interesting na bagele. Of course, ngal tendu kal nga official tendu ke jay baake kanyi program of fasa ke sembentu yandi 1010 ala kumandi Alefen Jamal kanyi janding salo number 7 and number 2 itolem the best Gambia banko kanjang Gambia bantila nal nata dong ala official line o sang itola data le chip tele credit ko fanam bokata baake wala leta ila routal sang mi alon ko da sone ata bak to lejum programme fasa ka sembenti ande politique kacha follow la be duala mobe fanan sale di mala bayring maka waliya kankula le ko of course am iman karoje bari nga oppose le gambianol mala fi understand well to gambi nga ole pose foy mala fi foy laftale salo ke sama ma understand no but anyway definitely nga ta from a very reliable source le ando nga di mola so mbenna Gambia batula le the Supreme Islamic Council mi alon ko le bijay maratin dino kola Gambia banko kan jambe tol fana la moyla le bayring ndol la jantilo mam boy folo ye mol kumandi le pour kar jibe ko mobe fanansi karo jube na fanga bari janningo be duwala mobe of course salidi mala mbafala mobe fanana salibo natimo Charles Elvis Ngom Omar Ndaw aning of course Mustafa ngebe tinduke je baake of course kany serapol ke pour ngana ngati amojang alnal badi malem nente buba gaji ko ala barka
ben dañu ne ko sañi saboko ñanta constitutional review ñanta kilal ñanta constitution change sañi saboko wor mo ngana ta no election.
Let us not be labor too much time on those letters because I know they have relevance.
UDP is just calling on President Adama to respect the agreement that saw him to power and also to fulfill the promise that he had made to the Gambian people.
If we want to meet the target, we lost 22 years, we have to work 22 times more than when we are working to get to where.
It is false to say that this country cannot develop a budget that will sufficiently cater for the health needs of our people.
Me and you know that Barrow cannot move this country forward.
Your days of you have insufficient funds in your account are finally over.
The Colorado credit just reached an unbeatable level, raising the bar way beyond reach. With your new Colorado credit, you can continue your conversations with your loved ones with zero credit.
With your new Colorado credit, you can borrow credit to activate or purchase data, make calls, SMS Express, and the phone ring service.
Call or SMS 152 to get your Colorado credit and activate the service of your choice.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
Are you thinking of owning your dream homes? EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3 or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tar roads, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464-838. WhatsApp us on 3259220.
diwli lanni maaro lanni
fop lanni
awa joni mi anda honno guerdeten e ngal ɗo sabu e ngal ɗo Ibrahima jonnal taw joni mi anda se yaha e kapitiki ñawloɗen ha humpodire makko est ce que on noon e warude
waɗen noon awa
ane gore Ibrahima ma ko on to woni
mo Amérique
ko Amérique a woni kadi humpitaki fiɓe musidɓe men baluwo
baluwo
ɓe andanɗa kala ko wawɗa wonde e aduna o si a rewi e juuɗe maɓɓe a jonnay ɗo dépassement o Gambia har no weeɓi a yahata kadi taw ko mbuɗi ɗin no ƴawi walla no jippi ɓe haalantama ko kala ko falɗa ko sengo ñamete ili nebba maaro basal pomme de terre kala ko rewi ɗon a hendoto har no weeɓi kadi wona ɗum ɗon tu ɓe jonnira e mobile phone siko ɗum kadi laptop kala ko wayrode ɗiɓe hay kasbawa ɓe wawma jonnude kadi sa fala humpitade ko weeɓi ƴetti Google account ma on joni data ton waɗa download app maɓɓe on ayiyay kala ko humpima e maɓɓe ton ɓe weeɓiyama
ka wonɗa wo e aduna o
kala ko wawɗa
a jonnanayi wonɗo ka leydi men Gambia ɗo dépense
hara no weeɓi ha ma si ɗum non fof no neeɓi immoɗen joni mi ɗowtama ka place maɓɓe janda
waɗen joni
iya heɓa ko falata
waɗen sam
agada
mbiɗan agañade
albaka
mbaka kordan
yo nga transfer la sto
ya transfer la
ha code nyinji
okay korsan
nsila id soto ha sa soto sorry agada
mbiɗan bro
albaka
mbaka
bara alla service o tariaka
mbare
mo ki janna nun kuno bara tariaka
janno mi yona forest de bureau Gambia ton kon na no mbari ya bere birim koyna fo katon
bari si kodo kino katon nim fo bolong labe
56 branches mola sota Gambia jam Gambia kono ani Gambia bantala bankol nka kodo kiya bele kodo sifa fo falindiro fo nyaadi lafta memmen na kodi to poto nin kodi maraw jannom number 1 di nyonta andum fana nata anoda enterprise sotale wolam nyindi ko domorol fana kol fana be firale de dadi mani domorol di fana beteat Gambia dawda yalo ma fa kendol sotale je
wo moyo diat
apelenta
barka ni na lafta nyelen kendol e bina
yalo bukani la ko la barka
yalo ndel ciosano
barka